What's up, YouTube? This is Dave from Porsche Rider. Today I will be replacing the side marker light on my 2016 Porsche Cayenne. We're gonna take these amber lights off and I'm gonna replace it with the clear. I'm gonna replace them with these. First, we're gonna remove these screws here, T25. To see how that's removed, I have another video where I changed the fog lights and put LED. I replaced the OEM light with LEDs. But it's one here, two down here, one back there. You have to turn the steering wheel to get to that one, and one up here. Remove the screws, you just pull this piece out. And then you can get behind here. You can get behind there. I want you to pull that out and get to the light. See, I reach in here and I could just push it right out. I push this thing in right here to get it out. Then after that, all you gotta do is just pull this piece off. That clip, you just push down on that part and it'll pull right out. Just push this part down right there and you can pull it right out. Sorry about the camera, I don't have nothing to hold it on. Which way that went? So that was that way. So we gotta trying to do it with one hand. And before I put it in, I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, I just wanted to see what it looked like before I turn it, push it back in. Alright, that looks good. So now all you do is just push that part in first. You just push the rear in like that. And it's in. Hope it helped somebody out with that video. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for watching.